In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row in Excel. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially when you need to add new information into the middle of an existing worksheet without rewriting or moving your data manually. Excel makes this process quick, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. First, go to Excel and open the worksheet where you want to add a new row. Take a moment to look at your data and identify exactly where the new row should go. In Excel, rows are labeled with numbers along the left-hand side of the sheet, and those numbers are what you'll use to control where the new row is inserted. Next, select the row below the position where you want the new row to appear. This part is important because Excel inserts the new row above the row you select. So, for example, if you want to place a new blank row above row 5, click directly on the number 5 on the left side of the worksheet. When you do that, the entire row will become selected. Once the correct row is selected, right-click on that row number. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Insert. As soon as you do, Excel will create a new blank row above the row you selected. After that, verify the result on your worksheet. You should now see a blank row inserted in the correct spot. Any existing data that was in that section will automatically shift downward to make room. This is one of the reasons the insert feature is so helpful, because you don't have to cut, paste, or manually reorganize anything yourself. If the row appears in the wrong place, don't worry. That usually just means the wrong row number was selected before inserting. You can simply undo the action and try again, making sure to click the row directly below where you want the new one to go. That's all there is to it. Open your worksheet, click the row number below the desired location, right-click, choose Insert, and confirm that the blank row appears where you need it. It's a quick, clean way to keep your spreadsheet organized while adding new information exactly where it belongs. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to insert a row in Excel.